So in this equation, we need to find the values of m and n for the equation 4 by m plus 2 by n is equal to 1. So we have to find out the values of m and n, and both will be positive integers. So our main equation is 4 by m plus 2 by n is equal to 1. So now consider like m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. So what will we get if we plug these values into this equation? So 4 by 3 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 1 point something plus 1 is equal to 2.3 something, and this value is greater than 1. That means if the values of m is 3 and n is 2, then this equation is not correct. So from this hypothesis, we can say like the values of m should be always greater than 4 and n should be always greater than 2. Otherwise, this equation will be invalid. So now we know that this is our boundary. We can jump into this equation. So we'll write 4 by m plus 2 by n is equal to 1. Then we will take the LCM. So mn, it will be 4n plus 2m is equal to 1, or 4n plus 2m is equal to mn, or mn minus 4n minus 2m is equal to 0. So this is our equation. We need to solve this. Now look, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So if we want to solve this equation, normally what we do, we factorize this term, and in that case what we do is we divide this 6 into 2 into 3, and now we make this equation as 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0, and then we got x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2, and then we solved it. Now look into this equation. We have this 2x and 3x as 4n and minus 2m, but we don't have this constant value. So how can we get this? We simply can multiply these two values. So 8 will be our constant. So if we rewrite these equations, we will get mn minus 4n minus 2m plus 8 is equal to 8. We need to add this 8 on both sides because our main equation is 0. Now we can take n common here, so it will be m minus 4 minus 2 m minus 4 is equal to 8, and then we will get m minus 4 n minus 2 is equal to 8. So this is our final equation. Now we need to solve these equations. So we got m minus 4 n minus 2 is equal to 8. So now 8 can be written as 1 into 8, 2 into 4. So now we can rewrite this 8 as the multiple of these terms. So m minus 4 n minus 2 will be on into 8. This is on conditions. Then we can write m minus 4 n minus 2 is equal to 8 into 1. We can also write this. So if we compare these values, then we will get m minus 4 is equal to 1, n minus 2 is equal to what? 8. So m will be 5, n will be 10. And if we compare these values, then m minus 4 is equal to 8, n minus 2 will be 1. So m will be 12, n will be 3. And if we take this 2 into 8, 2 into 4, then we will get 4 minus m minus 4 n minus 2 is equal to 2 into 4, and m minus 4 n minus 2 is equal to 4 into 2. So again, if we compare these values, we will get m minus 4 is equal to 2, n minus 2 is equal to 4, and here we will get m minus 4 is equal to 4, n minus 2 is equal to 2. So it will be m is equal to 6, n is equal to 6, then m is equal to 8, n is equal to 4. So we have got 4 pairs, and we can write it as m n is equal to 5 10, 12 3, 6 6, and 8 4, and this is our solutions.